Hey guys, what's going on? If you're new here, welcome. My name is BrittanyNichole. I have hooded eyes and I tend to do a lot of hooded eyeshadow tutorials on my channel that are simple, informative, and achievable no matter what level of makeup you're at. But I also do a lot of beauty reviews and just beauty related videos in general. Like this one today, we are doing an Ulta haul, and this is a big one for me. I typically don't go that ham, but they were doing a 20% off your purchase, so I just kept adding to my cart. So this is everything I bought. I know it's not a huge box, but it's pretty full to the brim here. There are a couple of things I picked up from CVS recently as well, and I thought I'd throw them in here since most of this stuff is drugstore. There is one higher end thing in here that I will always purchase, but we'll get into that in the video. So if you are interested in seeing an Ulta/CVS beauty haul, I'm not trying the products today. This is strictly a haul, so I wanted to let you guys know that up front. Go ahead and keep watching. All right, if you guys hear a little bit of background noises, I just gave George some peanut butter to kind of distract him while I film this video. He's been barking like crazy, and I figured a little lick sound here and there would be better than barking. But you guys know what it's like if you have dogs. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I have here is the Real Techniques Expert Face for Foundation Brush. I've been wanting to get more into foundation brushes lately. I don't know why, so I thought I'd pick one up. Real Techniques always has great brushes. Allie here on YouTube, Allie Glines, I think that's how you pronounce it. She uses a Real Techniques foundation brush all the time, and I watch her videos and I'm always like, that looks so good, I gotta try it. So we're gonna give this a shot. I think this was like $5.99 with the discount. I think it was somewhere around $8-9. All of their brushes are super affordable, so I'm really excited to try this. It is kind of like pinched, so it's a little bit flatter, so it's kind of like, you know, those paddle brushes that we used to use when we did makeup a long time ago? It's kind of mixed between that and like a duo fiber brush. So I'm really excited to give this a try. Let me know if you guys have heard anything good about that brush. I know they have all different shapes and sizes. Now, I'm not going in any order here. I'm just seriously gonna pick up what I find and explain it and why I got it. So the next thing we have here is the Lash Couture Naked Drama Lashes from Kiss in Chiffon. I think I've tried these before and I liked them. I can't remember. I've definitely tried the Naked Drama and I love them. They're seriously, I almost dropped it, sorry guys. They're seriously so comfortable and lightweight, and these are a little more dramatic. So I'm excited to try these. Kiss makes my favorite lashes on the planet. I love all of their collections. They do such a good job. I think I have a couple more in here if I remember correctly, but we'll see. The next thing I have here is, okay, so this one is actually from Target. So I guess it's CVS, Target, Ulta haul. This is the e.l.f. Dewy Setting Mist. I saw Juicy Jasmine here talk about this and how beautiful it was, so I wanted to give it a try. This was $8 from Target, and if you have a Target Red card, you get 5% off of that as well. So super excited. It seems really luxurious. You know what? Let's just take it out and give it a try here. This looks so good, and I like that it's not in a glass container. So let's go ahead and just see what it looks like. Ooh, aggressive mister. Very, very aggressive. It straight up smells like coconut, but like I think you can see it on camera. Very like heavy droplets. So I don't know. This might be one that I'm gonna want to transfer into a better container, like maybe my Wet n Wild container when I finish that, because I really like that mister. This is pretty aggressive, but I like the smell, and I think I do look a little more glowy. So I'll let you know what I think about that. All right, so next thing, another Real Techniques. This is the Miracle Cleansing Sponge. I have a whole video on this probably from 2 years ago now. This is like an exfoliating sponge. So I don't usually use, I do have an exfoliator right now that I'm kind of trying out, but I don't usually use like exfoliators with beads because I read that it's really bad for sea life, and I just stopped using it because of that. So I just use this with my regular CeraVe cleanser, and it really does a good job exfoliating. So I've had a couple of these and I really like them. Try these out. I'll link the video somewhere if you guys are interested in seeing the whole video, but this really, really does work. It's not a gimmick, and it's really the only sponge from them I like. All right, next up, the only high-end product I picked up, the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I love this foundation. I've been using it for probably a year and a half, 2 years now. So pretty, full coverage, dewy, plumps the skin. This is my absolute favorite high-end foundation, and I will always repurchase it. I have it in almost every shade. I have a really light shade, a kind of, you know, a little tan shade, and then this will be my like super tan shade. This is warm beige. But yeah, love this foundation. I will always repurchase this, and this is the most I spent. I think this was like $39. All right, so we do have some more lashes here. Both Kiss, like I said, favorite lash brand. Almost said lash band. This is the Kiss Lash Couture Triple Push-Up Collection in Corset. If you guys have been with me for a while, you know I love these lashes. I think they flatter my hooded eyes so well. They're dramatic, but they make my eyes look open. They don't look heavy. I've repurchased probably 15 pairs of these. The only downside is the lash band is kind of irritating. It doesn't form so well to my eyes, so it takes a couple of wears to where like they're used to the shape. They kind of like hold the shape of your lashes once you wear them for a while. So the first application is always rough with these, but the final product is so beautiful. I will continue to repurchase these. I think I have like 5 backups right now, but whenever I can get them for a discount, I do, because I think they're like $7 or something like that. And then I picked up the Kiss True Volume Pumped Up Effect in Ritzy. I had these a while ago and I remember really liking them, so I wanted to pick them up again for more like natural look days. You guys, I have stubs for lashes, like seriously stubs. I have fake lashes on right now from Dollar General, which are beautiful. I will have a video on that either linked below, because I think I'll have it posted before this or up here somewhere. But anyway, these lashes I thought would be good for natural days because I really have stubs for lashes. So I know I had these before, and these are a little bit different for me. Normally I like them a little longer in the center, and these are longer on the outside. So these were like $2 I think with the 20% off. So I said, why the heck not? I'll let you know what I think about them. I feel like I'm like getting a present right now because I ordered this like 2 weeks ago and I've been waiting to film this video to open it. So like rediscovering what I purchased is like exciting for me right now, as goofy as that sounds. But next thing we have is the Batiste, I think that's how you pronounce it, Batiste Hydrating Dry Shampoo. So I saw a like Instagram ad for this and I thought it looked really cool. I've never heard of like a hydrating dry shampoo, so I thought I would give it a try. I will definitely let you know how this goes. Obviously my hair is up right now, so I can't try it, but I tend, when I use dry shampoo, I wash my hair like once, twice, usually twice a week, and I use a lot of dry shampoo, and by the end of that like 3rd day, 4th day, it starts to get built up and kind of looks like flaky. So I'm hoping I see a difference with this. So again, I'll let you know below, but I thought this was really cool. They had another one like anti-frizz, which thought was kind of gimmicky. Who knows, this might be gimmicky as well. But yeah, I'll let you know what I think about that stuff. Okay, next up, I ran out of my gel liners. I have no black gel liners, so I picked up the Maybelline Lasting Drama black gel liner. This had the best reviews on Ulta for black gel liners. Let me tell you, people go hard on gel liners. Most of them on the Ulta website had horrible reviews, but this one was pretty good. Of course, there was a bad one sprinkled in there, but I thought, hey, it had the best reviews, I'll pick it up. I'll let you know what I think. Let me know what your guys' favorite drugstore gel liner is. I don't use gel liner a whole bunch, so I don't want to spend like a bunch of money on a high-end one that's going to dry out. I'd like to keep drugstore. So let me know your favorites down below. George just finished his peanut butter. If you hear him, pitter-pattering around, he just finished. So anyway, I picked up a couple things. I know there's one more. No? Oh no, it's sold out. Of course, I would drop that when I only have powders and palettes left in there. That would happen to me, so hopefully we didn't break anything. But like I was saying, I picked up a couple things from LA Girl. I picked up a couple of eyeliners and a lip liner. I had a couple in my cart, but they all sold out. I love this formula. I think it's totally comparable to MAC, and they're super comfortable and they last all day on me. So I picked up the color Flesh, which is swatched back here. Typical nudie peachy color for me, so I'm sure I'll be grabbing for this a lot. And then I picked up just 2 of their Glide On gel liners, a black color and a brown color, because I've had my my Physicians Formula black liner, that's new. That's like 6 months old and I absolutely love it. But I know I'm gonna run out of that soon because I absolutely love it. And I don't have a brown liner. The one I have is so old. It's Mac Duck. I don't even know if they sell it anymore. I've had that for years and years. It needs to go in the trash. So it's gonna be replaced by that. So I'll let you know what I think of those and if they transfer in a future video. Ooh, this one I'm super excited about. This is the BH Blushing in Bali 6-color blush and highlight palette. I saw a couple people talk about this here and the reviews on Ulta were really good. I can see why. It just looks so pretty. I think this was like $8 or $9. They were also having like the hot buy sale and I think this was part of it, and then I had the 20% off thing, so I got a really good deal on it, and these are beautiful. So it looks like this is the only matte shade in the palette. It feels so buttery. Ugh, I'm so excited. I think this is gonna be a really good palette for travel. It's thin. I love traveling with palettes like that because I don't think they break as easy. Now I always kind of like make sure they don't break. I'll like wrap it in a t-shirt or something like that, but I'm really excited for this. I love BH Cosmetics. They're super affordable and all of their products are beautiful. Check BH Cosmetics. I'm sure you guys know about BH Cosmetics, but check them out if you haven't before. Totally worth it. All right, so we're kind of getting towards the end here. I did pick up another BH product. This is the BH Brilliance Bronzer, and I saw Tenny talk about this a long time ago, months ago in a video. Can we get it open? I don't know. But she said she really liked it, and ever since she made that video, I was like, you know what? I want to try that. I'm always on the hunt for a new bronzer. I don't know why. I have really good bronzers, but that's one thing that I'm always buying new. So this is the shade. I got the lightest shade for like days like today when I have zero tan on. And let's just see. This does look a bit light. It's very cool. You know what this really reminds me of? It reminds me of my Maybelline City Bronzer. Let me grab that. All right, so I have the City Bronzer in the shade 200, so it's a little bit darker, but you guys see what I mean? These are very similar in like undertone, and I really like the Maybelline, so this might be really good. I'll let you guys know what I think about that. Have you guys tried these? Are these old or new? Have they had these for a while? The packaging feels super cheapy. That's okay though. I don't care about that at all. But yeah, let me know if these are new or old. I had never heard of these before Tenny talked about them, but I could totally just be, you know, out of the loop. Okay, so this one I picked up at CVS. This is the Physicians Formula 3-in-1 Melting Cleansing Balm. I wanted to pick this up because I was talking to one of you guys on Instagram and you said you tried it and you really, really liked it. So I finally picked it up and I'm gonna try it. I find when I remove my makeup, my eyes get really sensitive, so I'm hoping this helps with that. I'll let you guys know below if you're sensitive as well, or in a future video what I think, but pretty much everything I use, my eyes end up watering forever, so I'm really pumped to try this. I'm gonna, like barely any, oh, it comes with a little spatula too, that's cool. In the lid you get like a little tiny spatula thing, but it doesn't seem to have a scent to it, which is really nice. And I find when things have a scent to it, that's usually when I'm irritated. So I'm gonna use this tonight to take all this makeup off. And again, I will let you know what I think about that. And then again, the rest of this stuff is from CVS. So I picked up the Milani's Soft Focus Glow Complexion Enhancer. Again, Allie talks about this a lot and how much she uses it in every video. I'm like, okay, I've got to try this. So it's a little pump, even though it looks like it would be a squirt. And she uses it as a primer and it just gives like the most beautiful glow. If you see a tail pop up, it's because Stanley is walking right in front of the camera right now. I got the lightest shade and I just want to see that. I mean, I put a full pump on the back of my hand here and that is a lot of product, and obviously I have other things going on there, but look at that. Can you see how reflective and glowy that looks? I mean, it's not like reflective and glowy in a bad way to where like you'd look like an oil slick. That looks really pretty, feels really lightweight. And again, very, very mild scent. So I'm excited to try that in an upcoming tutorial. So stay tuned for that. Oh, we've got another one from Ulta here. This is the Physicians Formula Healthy Eyeshadow. If you guys have been with me for a while, you know the Classic Nudes is like my go-to palette. beautiful formula. I love that palette so much, and they updated it. They updated the packaging at least, so I thought I'd pick up a new one. This is the Smoky Bronze one, and I thought it'd be a cool tutorial to do with this. I think I've had that other palette in like, I don't know, 5 or 6 tutorials. It's like my go-to when I just need to throw a little something in the crease. And let me just show you what these colors look like in this palette. Really pretty. I haven't done like just a bronzy look on my channel for quite a while, so I thought this would be a good one to incorporate. The powders feel buttery. Let's see how they swatch. They swatch okay. I mean, I don't really judge a palette based on swatches, but I'll let you know what I think about this palette, or it will be in an upcoming tutorial, maybe like an all drugstore tutorial soon. That other palette is like my pride and joy, so I'm hoping this lives up to the hype. Sorry, my camera died, so I had to switch out the battery. But the last few items I have here are from Wet n Wild from CVS. This is part of their like crystal collection. Like every brand right now is doing something related to crystals, so I thought I would pick these up. I've been kind of looking at every drugstore I go to find these. They also had perfumes with like little crystals in it, which I think is a little more like younger kind of targeted. And they had some lip glosses which also looked kind of younger, but these caught my eye. They had like a green, a purple, and then this kind of pinky little trio. I was almost gonna call it a quad. I almost picked up the green and purple, but I was like, am I really gonna wear that? Probably not, as I'm sitting here with purple eyeshadow on right now. But I'm really excited to try these, although they are all shimmers. So this is gonna be kind of like an additional palette to what you already have. So like, let's say the Physicians Formula, I might add these in if I wanna go in with like, just, you know, something in the crease that's matte, I'll add that. So I don't know, we'll see. I thought they were cool because they are dual chrome. That's, at least they said they were. So we'll see what these are like. I might do a whole video just on this. I also picked up the highlighter. This looked a little glittery for me, so we'll see. You know what? Let me just open this and see, because I am so curious. Oh, it has a little stopper. That's new. So let's see. It definitely does look glittery. Oh, it's cream. Does it say cream? No, it doesn't. But it's definitely creamy. So very reflective. It's very light. It almost has like kind of like a blue tint to it. I don't know if I'm gonna love that because I'm not really into creams, but we'll see how that is. Huh, I'm kind of bummed that that wasn't one of their like normal formulas, but I guess I should have known better and should have looked a little closer. And then I picked up the Mega Glow Face Mist. This is in the shade Aurora Booster, so I'm assuming that this has some kind of like shimmer to it. It doesn't look like it. My cat might sneeze 18 times. Are you gonna? No, he's not going to. Definitely smells like their signature stuff, but I thought that this would maybe have some kind of shimmer to it since it says Aurora Booster and it's part of the Crystallized collection, but maybe it's just been like crystal infused, who knows? I just want to spray it on my hand. Yeah, no, it doesn't look like there's any kind of shimmer in it or anything like that, but the sprayer is really nice, so maybe I'll swap out the e.l.f. sprayer and put it in here when I run out of this. So that is it for this one. I hope this video was as fun for you as it was for me to make. If you guys have any questions, as always, please let me know below. I know a lot of you like me to try out these products as I go through them, but it would just be too long of a video for me to do that. I talk too much, you guys know that. So I'll definitely be trying these in upcoming videos, so be on the lookout for that. If you're interested in seeing any more videos from me, please subscribe. It means the absolute world to me. I post every Wednesday at 6 p.m. Central and every Sunday at 12 noon Central. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.